Alright, today we got Dream League Japanese booster box. Let's check this out. We got some sweet cards inside. Pretty pumped for these Tag Team GX trainer cards. They're pretty sweet. If you've watched my other videos, you may know this, but these Japanese booster boxes come with 30 packs inside. And you know what? Let's just start into them. I bet they gave us 30. One to the front, 5 card packs from, if you're not familiar, we got Weezing, Slug, ooh, we already getting what we need. Maybe they're not the packs what I'm looking for. Look at that coughing card. That's sick. Whew. Look at that. That is sweet. Already got coughing. Maybe there's no card trick. Magnemite. Ooh, look at that. Vileplume. Vileplume GX. Sweet, 2 for 2. Swirl, you want to hold on to this one? Nope, you don't. Two for 2. Let's go. Getting confused about the card trick. Not sure. And Herbia, Onyx. Ooh, and we got Wishy-Washy Rare. Nice. That's 3 packs, 3 hits. Got N. Mimikyu, Clefairy. Pack number 5. The last one, first one, we didn't get a hit. See how our luck continues. Empoleon, we got Magnemite. Clefairy. If you guys like these Japanese packs, drop a like. Consider subscribing. I'm just gonna keep ripping packs until I don't know when. Maybe we catch them all. Oddish, nice. Coughing. Steelix rare. Look at that. Oddish, coughing, Glade rare, nice. Look at it, just take a second to appreciate this artwork. Pretty sweet. We got Raichu. There's a pretty sweet Pikachu in here too. Hopefully we can get that. Another Gallade rare. Duplicate. Come on, I need some more of those character cards. They're pretty sweet. Got lucky with the first two. Now not so much. Come on, Mimikyu, give us some luck. Oh, come on. Weevil. Let's go. And come on, what are you doing? If you want to see these 5 packs, they're going to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, maybe Instagram. Go check that out. Setting those aside. Gonna keep going with 5 more packs here and then call that half a box. See what we end up with, and we'll have to catch the next ones in the next video. Excadrill, rare, nice. Pretty cool getting all the holo rares with the full silver border. Pretty sweet cards. Every rare is holo. And come on. Ready? Weevil. If you want to pick these up, down below I'll have a link to go straight to Amazon, and you can snag your own packs to see what characters you get. Hopefully some pretty sweet ones. Oh, there's Pikachu. Look at that. Look at that electric boy. I'm putting him up there too. He deserves it. Piplup? I don't know your name. Masked stranger. One to the front. Empoleon, Sylvie, Stoutland rare. Alright. Last pack, moment of truth. Last pack, magic. Come on, I gotta end this video with something. Some fire here. Come on. You just want one of those really rares. Come on. One to the front. We're gonna Raichu. Nice. Don't know what you are, water spider. Onyx. Sylvie. Stoutland rare. Okay, you know, not the greatest, but kind of anticlimactic, I guess. I mean, look at this is what we got. We got one Pikachu, common card, but everyone loves Pikachu. We got Stoutland. We got Excadrill. We got Gallade, Steelix, Wishy-Washy, Vileplume GX, Nice card. And we got Coughing. Look at those. Hope you guys can get some. Drop a like if you like these cards. Check out my next video when I open the rest, and I'll be opening the Matchless Fighter box as well, finishing that one. Check that out. Thanks for watching. Peace.